I can't talk very loudly today, as I normally do in my other videos, because my parents are asleep. But I just wanted to show everyone what I've bought today from Lululemon. I don't know why they're called Lululemon. Maybe because when life gives you lemons, buy a Lululemon. But anyway, I bought this foam roller here. Which I will unbox in this video. So, let's see how this ASMR video goes. Okay. They gave me a nice SoulCycle collaboration shopping bag, which I think is very cool. So here it is. I kind of already took out the wrapping because I was just too excited to check it out. But I just think it's very cool. It says the double roller. It says dense foam is durable and supportive. Massage arms and legs with both rollers nested together. Use the inner roller on your back. The surface is designed go deep on muscles around your spine. This was $58. Made in Taiwan. It says, release post-sweat tension in your back, arms, and legs with this 2-in-1 roller. This is why I bought this roller, because it's 2-in-1. I'll show you how it works. It says here, work it out. This thing actually slides up. And it actually becomes 2 rollers. It's like an Oreo. Or a very nice marble. So this one here is for your spine. And this one, I suppose you can use it for your torso, or if you have any sensitive areas on your body that needs a little less dense feeling, you could use this one instead. Or put them back in. Then you can use it as a standard roller. So that's about it. I think it will look cool if I just had it up in my room somewhere. It will look like a nice marble pillar. I think I'm gonna make a good use out of this.